Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be making the viral cucumber stew, and these are all the ingredients we need for this recipe. First, we need our garlic, onion and ginger powder. We need our goat meat spice because we are going to be using goat meat for this recipe. We need thyme, we need curry, of course we need cucumber, we need red and green peppers, we need a tomato paste, and then some stew spice. So let's get started. This stew is really nice and I'm recommending it 100%. So let me show you how to make this recipe. It is very easy. So first you have to peel out the skin of the cucumber and then you cut them into smaller pieces. Next, you remove the seed from the cucumber before blending. Please note, when blending, do not add any water because cucumber has a lot of water already. After blending, I'm going to sieve out the excess water from the cucumber. You can see how much water came out from this cucumber. So that's why I told you not to add any water when blending because cucumber has a lot of water. Next, I'm adding in my red pepper, green pepper, some onions. At this point, if you have tatashe, you can add to it, add little water and then blend. I'm checking on my meat now. So I'm also using the same oil I use in frying my goat meat. I'll be using it to fry the stew. At this point, I'm just going to allow the tomato paste to fry very well before adding the pepper mix to it. Now I'm adding in the pepper mix. I'm going to stir, cover and let it fry for a while. So now I'm adding the already sieved cucumber. At this point, my stew is halfway done before adding the cucumber. So I'm going to fry it for a while before adding my seasoning. Next, I'll be adding my thyme and then curry. There it. Next, I'm adding the other spices, which is the garlic, ginger, and onion powder, stew spice, and then the goat meat spice as well. So I'm going to stir it. Now I'm adding my seasoning powder and then some salt to taste. Stir very well. Add in the meat stock and then your fried goat meat. You can use any protein of your choice, but I chose to use goat meat. Cover and allow to fry for 5 minutes. Ensure you're always stirring this just so it doesn't get burnt. And now your cucumber stew is ready. Let me know what you think about this stew. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy recipe. Thanks and God bless.